Today we will discuss about non-verbal communication or body language. Uh, Body language is a critical soft skill that everyone needs. It is also needed for career advancement. Definition: body language is the range of non-verbal signals that you use to communicate your feelings and intentions. These include your posture, your facial expression, and gestures. Your ability to understand and interpret your body language can help you to and pick up on unspoken issues or a negative feeling in others. Types of nonverbal communication. Facial expression. If you are communicating with someone who is following has a furrowed brow or a tight lips, you might you may pause to ensure they don't feel confused, angry, or some other negative emotions. If you are communicating with someone who has a soft smile, relaxed facial muscles, or gently raised eyebrows, this is a sign that they feel good about the information you are presenting. Body language is the way someone situates their body depending on the situation and the environment and how they are feeling. Body movement, the way you move your arms and legs, such as walking quickly or slowly, standing erectly, sitting erectly, or fidgeting, can all convey different messages to onlookers. Gestures, while gestures vary widely across communities, they are generally used both intentionally and unintentionally to convey information to others. Eye contact. Strategically using eye contact for lack for lack of eye contact is an extreme effective way to communicate your attention and interest. So if you are in a one-to-one situation, always see that you see eye to eye with the other person. If you are in a group of people, see to it that you have your eyes going to the entire group. Touch. Some people also use touch as a form of communication. Most commonly, it is used to communicate support or comfort. This form of communication should be used sparingly and only when you think the receiving party is okay with it. It should never be used to convey anger, frustration, or any other negative emotions. Space. Creating a closing distance between yourself and the people around you can also convey messages about your comfort level. The importance of conversation, your desire to support or connect with others, and more. Voice modulation. It refers to how you control your voice when speaking. When we speak, we are able to change the message by varying the tone, stress on words, pitch, and change the rate of speech. So, this is the end of the topic. In my next video, I'll be discussing about enhancing your writing skill. If you find this video useful, like it, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you.